Hi friends, this is EduGuru Solutions. If you like this video, please subscribe. So today I'm going to explain how to use arithmetic operators in C++ programming. So I already said in my first video, so there is a requirement of software engineers and some students. So I'm going to explain one by one about C programming. So in my last video I explained an introduction of C++. Now I'm going to start how to do coding with the help of operators. So now let me show you. I'm going to open this C++ editor. Here I have already opened it. So just let me enlarge this. So it is an editor of C++ programming. Here you can write C+ coding. Today I am going to explain arithmetic operators, how to write code with the help of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So before you start, as I already said in my first program, so you have to start with hash, which help header file to connect with compiler. So hash include bracket iostream dot h. So this is a header file which helps to function to help C in and C out in the C+ coding. And next line is hash include bracket conio console input output dot h, and this header file help clear screen and get character. There are two functions I am going to use in this C+ coding. So I'll show you later on. So let me enter next third line, main open parenthesis close parenthesis. Just I am explaining slowly because this is little difficult to understand how to write a code in C+ programming. So these are all called statements in C+ programming. Each line is called statement. So next line, open block, also called as brace, where program starts. So now I'm going to enter clear screen. This is a function which is very useful to clear a previous output which will be in output screen. And the next line, just I'm going to enter data type. So we can use integer or float or double, so whatever. So now I want an answer in decimals. So for example, if you give integer, so decimal values will not be answered. So if you give float, that can integer can also be included. So better if you give float as a data type. Now I'm entering a. This is a variable which stores a value is given by a user, comma. So it is a must that you must enter comma after a variable. So b, then comma. So I'm going to use some words which indicates arithmetic operators like div for division, comma, mul for multiplication, comma, add for addition, sub for subtraction. So now I enter terminator. Terminator means which ends a statement. Now let me go to second line. Now I am going to enter value of a. For that you must write an output function which is called cout operator, then double quotations. So double quotations help to display a string exactly what you want to display in output screen. So here I want to display enter value of a as it is in output screen. That's why I put it in double quotations. So terminator, then let me go to next line. So once I display enter value of a, so I must enter value of a. So for that you must use cin, which takes a value of a variable a. So a terminator. So let me go to next line. So I'm going to enter value of b, cout, same like value of a, double quotations, enter value of b, double quotations, and you must put it, otherwise an error will be displayed while compilation. So cin, I'm going to enter value of b. Then so once I entered value of a and b, so I need output of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So I must do some coding here for first variable division. Division equals a by b, terminator. Then for multiplication, simple, mul equals a into b, terminator. Then addition, add equals a plus b, terminator. Next sub equals a minus b, terminator. So very important thing is you must observe, so all the variables what you use in the declaration statement, so float, a, b, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, so whatever you use it here, like in this declaration sentence, you must use the same spelling in the coding, so you should not change. So let me explain further. So I'm going to display answers of all these arithmetic operations. Select first cout, double quotations, division of a by b, colon, double quotations end. So I must enter exactly opposite to division of a by b, div, because I already got an answer for div variable. So here I did a by b for div variable, so I got an answer already, so that's why I entered. So next cout endl, so because I want to give a gap between statements in output screen, so I don't want to merge all the sentences, so I want to give a gap, that's why I put one end line. In C programming you give /n for new line, here end line, so both are same, so different syntax. So let me give cout multiplication of a and b, then operator mul, terminator, then again cout endl, same, I want to give a line, cout addition of a and b, same, double quotations, operator add, then cout end line, I want to give a line, Cout, subtraction of A and B. Then operator sub, terminator. So almost coding is over. So I want to display an answer. So before display, you must end the program, end the coding of this particular program by just typing get character. That means, so you are going to close the coding of this program. So you need an output, whatever you enter coding in the program. So close it, and the last syntax is brace. This is closing block. So now the coding is over. You can see from here, hash include iostream, hash include conio main. So now I am going to display output of this program. So let me run this program by pressing Control F9, function 9, function key F9, Control F9. So now compilation has been done. So there is no error actually. So if there is an error, so you need to correct it. So I'm going to enter a value of A. So let me enter. So let me give value of A 10. Press enter. For next statement, enter value of B. Let me give simple values 5. So once I enter, I get arithmetic operations done in the screen. So division of A by B. So 10 by 5 2, multiplication 10 into 5 50, addition of A and B, so 10 plus 5, and subtraction of A and B, so 10 minus 5 5. Simple. So simple, my friends. So if you like this video, so please further C++ programming videos,